Hey guys, welcome back to a new one, and today we are talking about how to hide your contact info, how to hide your Facebook number on your Facebook account. This is very important where you are a digital creator and you created a public Facebook account. Now you should need to hide your number from public because the number is your personal. So how you can hide your number? This is very simple, but first of all, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more technical tips, tricks and hacks. Just open your Facebook application, then go to right top corner your profile. Alright, after that you can do it very easily, but I have some problem. Don't worry. Go down and click on settings and privacy. Alright, then again click on settings. After clicking settings, then here you need to go down just a little down, then click audience and visibility option. First option, profile details, tap on it. After here you will see your number, and just you need to do click on the pencil button and then click on sharing with the second option. Then here just choose last option, only me. You need to select it to only me. When you select it to only me, then no one on Facebook and no one public can see your number on Facebook. This is the solid method to hide your number on Facebook. I hope you will like this tutorial. It's helped you very much. So don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye. Best of luck.